Good morning, dear student. Today we are going to start with lesson number 3.5 News Analysis. Now, let me first tell you what is the meaning of analysis. Analysis means a detailed examination of the element given out officially of something. And news, you know, the information or the news, what is there disclosed or presented in the TV or newspaper is known as news. Now, with this, I want you to let you know the full form of news. N stands for north, E stands for east, W stands for west, and S stands for south. Okay, now first let me give the introduction of this topic. With the application of technology in mass media, we have access to news through various newspapers, magazines, TV channels, and through internet. As I said, news analysis is a detailed examination of the elements of the news item presented. Now, in this lesson, we have news items from different fields such as academics, entertainment, environment, and exploitation of people. It is our responsibility to read, reflect, and analyze news items and verify the authenticity of the news before we share with others. So, now we are going to start with the main course of our chapter. So, let us start. The lesson is divided into 4 passages. The first passage is passage number A, and on page number 71, closed shoes not allowed in examination halls. So, this is the first passage, passage A. Bangalore. Shivam Institute of Innovative Technology, Bangalore, has recently issued a list of do's and don'ts for candidates taking the entrance test to the prestigious institution for this year. Now, this is a news article given in the newspaper. The heading for this news is closed shoes are not allowed in examination hall, and this news is from Bangalore, and the name of the institution is Shivam Institute of Innovative Technology. Now, they had recently put a list of what to do, do's and don't, means what to do and what not to do for the candidates, means for the students who are giving the entrance exam to the prestigious institute. So, in the prestigious institute, it has been stated that what they should do and what they should not do in the examination. Okay, candidate means a person who applies for something, and prestigious means having high status. The candidate will not be allowed to enter the examination hall wearing closed shoes, boots, even socks. Other items which will not be allowed inside includes mobile phones, microphones, earplugs, calculators, and other electronic gadgets, pouches, printed or blank papers, and even pens. Now, what was not allowed in the examination hall, that they should not wear first closed shoes or boots and not even socks. And the other items which were not allowed in the examination halls were mobile phones, microphones, earplugs, calculators, and different types of electronic gadgets. Even the pouches and printed or blank papers were not allowed, and even the pens were also not allowed in the examination hall. Why? Because they have the fear that the students will copy from all these things which were given in the passage. Okay, let us continue further. The pens will be provided in the hall by the investigator. Now, they were going to give the pens to all the students who were appearing for the exam. Now, here, what do you mean by investigators? Investigators means the people who supervise candidate while taking an examination. That is supervisor. Okay. So, let us proceed. On page number 71, passage B, Ritika takes a break from acting. Now, this news is about a actor who is going to take a break from the acting, and this news article is from Mumbai, dated September 9. Famous actress Ritika, who is believed to be the most highly paid star in Bollywood, is all set to break the hearts of her fan. In an informal chat with journalists, she revealed that she will not sign any more films after completing the big budget movie Ant next month. Now, here in this article, there is a famous actress named as Ritika, and everyone believes that she is getting what? Most highly paid. Most highly paid means she is getting more amount, that is one who gets the most amount of money. And it is said that she is not going to continue with the Bollywood films, is all set to break. All set means ready to break the fans heart, the persons who are very much loving, or the fans you know. And she had given this information in an informal chat. Informal means friendly, okay. Informal means when there was a interview of her in a very friendly way. She had said that I'm not going to sign any more films, but she said that after completing this big budget movie, she is working on a movie, and the name of the movie is Ant, and it is going to release on next month. She refuses to give any reasons for her decision. However, sources close to her reveal that now she wants to make a career in politics. Now, she has not given any reason that why she is going to leave the Bollywood, but she is telling that from the different sources, the people have came to know that she is going to make her career in the politics. Okay, I hope you have understood both the passage A also and passage B also. In next video we'll continue with passage C and D. So thank you and have a nice day.